A lot of people call us all the time and want to sell their house, but they're so worried about the condition of their house, what it looks like. I got to clean up, I got to do all this work, I got to do this, I got to do that. That's not necessarily the case, and that's one of the biggest myths that's out there, especially in today's real estate market. Do you know that there's a really good chance you could sell your property as is and still get probably a lot more money than you thought? And if it comes to you got to do work, or you got to do this, or you got to do that, we have the entire process and system internally to make that easy, so you don't even have to do it. You just call us and we figure it out for you. But when it comes to selling your house, you may not have to do anything. And I know the stress and the fear and anxiety you're thinking about, oh, I got to have people come in my house, I got to do this, I got to do that. That's not necessarily the case. You may be a candidate for our guaranteed sale program, where we just get a buyer for your house and you don't have to do any showings or any walkthroughs. Or you may be able to just sell your house as is, where is, and not have to do any work or worry about anything. And I know well, if you come look at it, I gotta clean up. You know, we don't care about any of that, because we have seen just about everything when it comes to real estate. And our goal is to just get you the most amount of money in the shortest period of time. You don't wanna miss your window in one of the best real estate markets we've ever seen, and you may not have to do anything to your house, and we may already have a buyer for your house when you call us. So don't get overwhelmed with having to do work or thinking you can't sell your property as is. And if you're just interested to find out what you could do with your property or what it's potentially worth, we will, for free, give you a home equity report to tell you what you got in your savings account of your property. And this is something we're going to give to you as a gift. But if you're worried about doing a bunch of work, that's not necessarily true. Give us a call today and we'll figure it out for you and make it a seamless process so you can sell your property.